trap, you know, I ain't no rapper, I just spit trap. I spit that trap, I just talk that street shit.
In the fence with 2 nights, with a nigga doing 2 lives. Hoping that a nigga kill him so he can go to the afterlife. Whipping up that fried rice, listening to the homies' lies. That they go put money on my books, but they never try. Gotta watch these rap niggas, most of them CI niggas. Catch a case, make a deal, lightweight TI niggas. The street done changed, niggas on bang, niggas up a quarter thing. High speed chases, catching cases, 22s we call them scrapers. Gotta keep that Mac on me, cause these niggas will blast on me. I didn't know that was your folks, I just lashed on me. Now I got that task on me, fuck I need that mask on me. Whipping up that dope in the trap, I gotta get that cash, homie.
Catch him in traffic, he know it's automatic. We just tryna ball, but all my niggas active. Henny with the coke and this she flipping backwards. All my life I've been chasing a dream that never happened. Snap my fingers and disappear just like it's magic. I was lost but still standing on my 2 feet. Tell him break down them bricks just like Bruce Lee. Tryna speak on my name, I hope you lose sleep. Bitch, I'm that diamond in the dirt, that's why it's hard to see. Tell him bet it all on me, what the fuck you mean? I'ma pull up when I pull up just to make a scene. And that Sprite looking clear until we make it pink. The Henny with no chasing, then I ain't tryna dream. I've been going a whole summer thugging with no sleep. Feeling like he just waiting to pull that thing on me. Thought he was my brother, but he changed on me.